Woke up to the light breaking through gray skies. Shook off the weight, now it's time to rise. Dancing through the kitchen with a smile wide. Today's got a feeling, it's a joyful ride. Coffee brews a promise in the morning breeze. Windows open wide, let the spirit seize. Today's a blank canvas, let's paint it bold. Stories yet to be told, bright and gold. It's a brand new day, sunlight's kissing my face. All the worries of yesterday gone without a trace. Let's chase every dream, no matter how high. Spread our wings together, we will touch the sky. Stepping out the door with a fearless heart. Every moment's fresh, it's a perfect start. Neighbors wave hello, spark a chain reaction. Smiles all around, bringing satisfaction. It's a brand new day, sunlight's kissing my face. All the worries of yesterday gone without a trace. Let's chase every dream, no matter how high. Spread our wings together, we will touch the sky. Even when the clouds decide to roll on in, we'll be the sunshine where the light begins. Nothing stands in the way of our glowing fate. Take my hand, let's create, make it great. It's a brand new day, sunlight's kissing my face. All the worries of yesterday gone without a trace. Let's chase every dream, no matter how high. Spread our wings together, we will touch the sky. Lights are flashing, streets of gold. Heartbeat quickens, truth be told. Dancing like we're out of time. Neon dreams we chase and find. Stars above, they guide our way. Moonlight whispers, shadows play. City's pulse, we feel it strong. Echoes in the night so long. Midnight rush, we're flying high. Touch the stars in open sky. No looking back, no saying why. Just ride the wave and feel alive. Silent whispers in the wind. Secrets lost yet hearts will mend.